This is a 2026 Buick Enclave Avenir. Believe that this feature is on GMC and other vehicles that are similar in year. But there's a feature that's called the massage feature. It's kind of confusing. So the dealership sales rep and manager had no idea how this worked, and I had to figure it out on my own. So just so you know, there's a button over here on the side of your seat, both passenger as well as driver, and you push this button forward to enable it, and then you have a up, down, left, right navigator. So I'm going to show you what happens on your screen when you push the button forward. I was just telling you about, it'll bring up the seat, and then you can go again, push forward, and it'll bring it up to massage, and you can scroll down or to up. Actually brought me to this roll high or low, and if you go to left or right, you can make it be low, high, medium. But once you actually, even though it says off above there, it's actually operating right now, and it's hard to tell it's operating because it's a very subtle massager. So people think, well, how do I turn it on? I want to turn that from off to on. It doesn't do that. You just scroll down to where you see that you've got the option of high, low, and medium, and it'll already be operating. To turn it off, you just flip the switch rearward on the top of that side piece on the chair, and it'll turn it off. So anyway, that's the confusing thing that the engineers at General Motors didn't do a very good job in labeling, in my opinion. But now you know how it works.